students, in last class we studied about the theory of origin of earth. Now here the theory related to origin of universe. Origin of universe. Now in this lecture, origin of universe. Here, what is universe? Here the many galaxies form the universe. Many galaxies form the universe, and the group of stars are called the galaxy. Group of stars are called galaxy. Group of stars called galaxy, and the galaxies form universe. Have the theory about the origin of universe is considered Big Bang theory. This theory, Big Bang theory given by George Lemaitre. Big Bang theory is given by George Lemaitre. Big Bang theory is given by George Lemaitre. In this theory, mention about the expansion of universe. Now here expansion of universe is continued. Here not here stop the expansion of the universe. About this theory we study in the next lecture. In this lecture we will study about the theory of Edwin Hubble, the experiment of Edwin Hubble. Edwin Hubble experiment about the universe expanding. Here in 1920 Edwin Hubble experiment about expanding of universe. Like here they take a balloon. The experiment of Edwin Hubble, they take a balloon. क्या लिया? एक बैलून लिया, ठीक है? They take a balloon, clear? And mark some points here, and consider these points are galaxy. What here? A balloon, ठीक है? And this balloon can mark, and these mark considered as galaxy. इन mark को क्या माना? Galaxy, ठीक है? Then here inflate the balloon. यानी कि बैलून को क्या किया ना? फुला दिया ना? Inflate the balloon. Then inflate the balloon. The size of balloon is big, and the mark या the points are have distance from each other. क्या हो गया ना? ये जो points है इनका जो distance है वो क्या हो गया ना? Increase हो गया. Here the increase the distance between the points या between the marks. Clear here? Here all these mark expands. All these mark also expands in this experiment. So what here then? This is here the right fact in this theory. Here the expanse of the universe. The distance between the galaxies increase. This theory prove that the expanse of the universe. क्या हो रहा है कि जो मार्क है, जो गैलेक्सी हमने कंसीडर किया वो क्या हो रहा है? एक दूसरे से डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज कर रही है, यानी कि दूरी बढ़ा रही है. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है? ये गैलेक्सी एक दूसरे से दूर जा रही है. सिंपल सी बात है कि expand here the यूनिवर्स. ये यूनिवर्स है उसका फैलाव हो रहा है, एक्सपेंड हो रहा है, यानी कि यूनिवर्स बढ़ रहा है, ठीक है? बट यहाँ पे एक जो मिस्टेक है, वो मिस्टेक क्या है? हियर आल्सो इंक्रीज द मार्क, यानी कि जो गैलेक्सी है, जो मार्क हमने किया है, यहाँ पे मार्क छोटे थे ना, लेकिन इन्फ्लेट करने के बाद मार्क भी क्या हो जाएंगे ना? बड़े हो जाएंगे. यानी कि क्या बताता है कि गैलेक्सी भी का जो साइज है वो भी क्या हो रहा है? बढ़ रहा है. गैलेक्सी का साइज भी क्या हो रहा है? बढ़ रहा है. और ये वाला क्या हो गया? रॉन्ग हो गया, मिस्टेक हो गई. गैलेक्सी का जो साइज है वो नहीं बढ़ेगा. हियर द नॉट expand the size of the galaxy. Here only expand here the distance among the galaxies. यानी जो यूनिवर्स है उसका एक्सपेंड हो रहा है. यूनिवर्स एक्सपेंडिंग here the universe. ये कैसे हो रहा है? Increase the distance between the गैलेक्सी, जो गैलेक्सी उनके बीच की जो दूरी है वो क्या होती जा रही है ना, इंक्रीज हो रही है। बट यहाँ पे जो मिस्टेक है इसमें एक्सपेरिमेंट में क्या रहेगी, क्योंकि गैलेक्सी है उसका साइज भी क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है। दैट इज द मिस्टेक इन दिस experiment of the Edwin Hubble. And at last this theory of Edwin Hubble, yeah, this experiment of the Edwin Hubble shows expanding of universe, shows expanding of universe. So now here today in at present expanding of universe is continue. Clear? Now the alternate of the Big Bang theory is also Hoyle concept of study state. Hoyle concept of the study state. यहाँ पे आपको केवल नेम लर्न करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है कि Hoyle जो concept of study state given by the Hoyle, concept of study state given by the Hoyle, and the theory of George Lemaitre Big Bang theory we will study in next lecture. Now here a light year. What is light year? Light year is the measure of distance. Light year is measure of distance, not here the time. This is light year from something here the measure the time, not here the measure the distance. And the speed of the light is 3 lakh km per second. The speed of the light is 3 lakh km per second. In per 1 second the light pass the 3 lakh km. The light pass the 3 lakh km. Here the distance the light will travel in 1 year is taken to be 1 light year. 1 light year क्या होता है ना कि the distance that light will travel in 1 year taken to be 1 light year. तो 1 year में travel कर रही है distance, that is called as 1 light year. The average distance between the sun and earth, सन और अर्थ के मिड में जो डिस्टेंस है ना, एवरेज डिस्टेंस वो कितना है, 14 करोड़ 95 lakhs 98,000. 14 करोड़ 95 lakhs 98,000, also called 14.9 crore. 14.9 crore. The average distance between earth, the average distance between sun and earth 14.9 crore kilometer. 14.9 crore kilometer. ठीक है. And this distance is considered in the unit of light year 8.311 minutes of a year. 8.311 minutes of a year. Clear? And here aphelion and perihelion. What is aphelion and the perihelion? The maximum distance between sun and earth is called aphelion, 15.2 crore kilometer, and the minimum distance between sun and earth called perihelion, 14.7 crore kilometer. 14.7 crore kilometer. 14.7 crore kilometer. This condition is called perihelion. Here the sun and earth have minimum distance. Then here the maximum distance between sun and earth, call this condition aphelion. 15.2 crore kilometer. 15.2 crore kilometer. This condition is aphelion, the maximum distance between the sun and earth. And perihelion, the nearest minimum distance between sun and earth, perihelion 14.7 kilometer. And the average distance between sun and earth 14.9 crore kilometer. 14 crore 95 lakhs 98,000 kilometer. So there in this lecture we study about the origin of the universe, and the theory given by the Big Bang theory given by the George Lemaitre, and experiment about the universe expanding by Edwin Hubble in 1920. The experiment, here the balloon, and then mark point here on the balloon, then here inflate the balloon, then consider these are balloons mark are expanding each other यानी एक दूसरे दूर हो रहे हैं. Then here the expanse of the universe. Clear? A light year, measure of distance and speed 3 lakhs kilometer per year. The light distance is light speed जो light प्रकाश है उसकी जो speed कितनी है, 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Clear? Aphelion 15.2 crore kilometer, perihelion 14.7 kilometer, and average distance between sun and earth 14.9 crore kilometer.